This is the world yung nabagsak noon. Ito yung bago, yung napabalita, the news about, according to my husband, World Trade Center yung napabalita na nag-collapse because of the terrorist. This is not the new, because we are here in America. We have adventures here, lots of walks. Pinauna ko na si Mister. Ang laki kasi niya it's big. Look at that. Ito daw yung na-collapse doon, napabalita. Binidyohan ko na lang. I feel something good to myself. Sa kanya kasi hindi. Sa akin okay. Naguluhan na tuloy ako. I've been doing this because this is my memory. I put to my vlogs. Ito yung nasa ilalim. Dinala niya ako dito. Baka gusto din tingnan ng ano ko. Parang may tindahan ata doon. Oh. Mga damit. Ang tawag dito kasi is World Trade Center. Ito na yung mga laman. This is inside. Ito. Iwan ko. Close ba ito or decoration? According here, yes, they are real flowers. Please don't touch. Parang hindi naman, parang plastic lang naman. Real daw. Oh, yun ang asawa ko ha. Siya yung tourist guide. I talk to myself that this is the World Center that collapsed before with terrorists. Baka na-intriga na rin sila, Jen. Tiwas ako sa mga guards. Nasindak punta diring dapita. Oh, the flag. Oh. Because of America. Babu! Bye!